Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about a new update that I got on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and also we'll talk about the 1.7 beta version. So let's start with a new Google Play system update that I got. For that you just have to go to your settings and then you have to select your about phone. After selecting about phone you have to select software information, and then after selecting software information you have to select Google Play system update, and it will automatically search for the new updates, and it might have already downloaded that update. So you just have to restart it, as I have already downloaded the update. Now I just have to restart my device, and after restarting the update will be installed on your device. This installation process might take a while, so I will quickly fast forward this part of the video as it will optimize the apps as well. As you can see over here, the One UI is now optimizing the apps and the update is finally installed, and the phone is now starting. As you can see, if I will check for the new updates, now my device is on the latest version of the Google Play system update. And if we talk about the 1.7 update, so from the Sam Mobile we have that the 1.7 update was expected to be released in the month of July, then it was postponed in the month of August, and now we have the end of September, but there is no update yet. But the good news is that we might get to see this update really soon. The reason of this update being delayed is the One UI 6.1.1 update. By the way, I also got this circle to search music identification feature that you can check out. To check it out, you just have to long press your home button and then select this music icon, and it will search for any song in the background. Also, if you want to check out these widgets from the clock application, you can update your clock application to the latest version. I have mentioned the link in the description that how you can do that. And that's alright for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about the new update for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and some of the information regarding the 1.7 beta version. If you are new on this channel, make sure to like and subscribe.